What's up, guys? BBF Collection here. We got ourselves another freaking insane package today. We got ourselves here the LA pop-up Bred. Very exclusive and very rare. Snagged this on Grailed. It was up for like less than a day. There we go. Oh, cool. You double wrapped it. Oh, goodness. Screw this. He's got it. Here we go, I'm hyped. Just woke up, too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Jeez, this thing's puffy. And we got ourselves the new tags. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. And then the freaking hand on the back. Oh my god, this thing's so puffy. Oh my gosh. Well, there you have it, folks. The freaking Bred from the LA pop-up. Extremely rare and freaking puffy as heck. Oh my gosh. There's that. There's this. Jeez. Wow. All right, well, thanks for watching.